Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm going to show you how to create Apple ID. Now what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to just click on the App Store to sign up with my account. Click on your avatar icon at the top right, you're going to see it, and click create new Apple ID. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter my information, email, password, and then confirm your password. And then lastly, agree to the terms and conditions, and afterwards you're going to follow along to the next step, add your personal information, your contact number and everything, and then move along to the next step, add your debit card or PayPal, or if you don't have an account, just click none and enter your billing address at the next step basically, and enter your name and then your zip code and everything, right? Move along to the next step, confirm your phone number by verifying it, and then confirm your email verification by adding the email and of course adding the verification code. And afterwards, simple as that, now you created your Apple ID. Don't forget to like and subscribe, follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.